Hello my creators, today we are going to make the mini box from the paper for the paper napkins. The materials required are, let's start the video. Take 22 by 22 square printed paper, fold it from the center in a plus sign like this. After that, now we are going to start folding something like this. In each square we have to fold it like this. Once you complete this one, now we have to fold the paper till the center legs. From the all four sides. First, we have to fold it from the two sides. Afterwards, now open these two and now again fold from other two sides. Now once you complete this one, open the one part like this and fold till here. Again fold it and then the last fold is inside this strip like this. Like this you have to complete the other three side folding work. Make a proper crease each and every strip. Now turn your paper at the back side. You can get the square where I am folding right now. There is a particular square. You have to fold that particular corner like this. Now once you complete this corner folding, you have to turn your paper again in a front side. Now look carefully. We have to only open and fold this paper like this way. Now once you complete this work, we are going to start sticking that corner which we opened like this. Apply the glue on that particular corner and now stick this one. Like this you have to complete your all four sides sticking work. It will take a time to dry because of the glossy paper. So keep it at the side for the drying work. Till that we are going to start complete our paper napkin cutting work. So you have to keep at the side and take the paper napkins. I am showing you how to cut the paper napkins now. Now take one paper napkin and open it and fold it from the center something like this. And now cut from the center this one. Once you complete this one, you have to fold it in a three part like this. Now cut in the three part. Now we have to arrange each part like this. Like this you have to assemble the bunch of the paper. Minimum you require 20 pieces of the paper. Now once you complete this bunch you have to keep in your box which you make it. And now take out these papers. I hope you enjoy this activity. Thank you.